We're on the third floor of the University Library. Behind me here is one of our new silent study rooms that will be for students looking for a really centrally quiet place on campus to be. We have two on both sides of our atrium, and in addition to being a great quiet place for students to study, it's also going to help deflect noise from our quiet floor. We have new carpet going in addition to being attractive. The red pieces of the carpet will help students see their way through the library. So you can see here that there's a path going through the floor in red. That will continue to be a wayfinding tool for students as they go through the new areas of the library that have been renovated. Alright, so here we are on the fourth floor of University Library. What we have behind us is an area that's going to be dedicated to collaborative study in a pretty large enclosed space. On the other side of the atrium, we're going to be creating a service desk for our technology assistants that we have here in the library that will be used by students who are working here and by students who are studying when they're not occupied. We have removed books that were in shelves here to extend the reading room around the other side of the library, and another office that we were able to remove to give students a view of Michigan and the science quad area outside the library. Okay, we'll go down here and then turn. Oh, that box is probably going to be where the new digital sign is going to be. This area behind me is going to be our first set of study alcoves. They're going to be kind of like study rooms in our library. We have a lot of study rooms, about 40, and they're booked constantly. So we know that it's something that students really like. What we're going to do with these spaces is to create something that feels like a study room, but is more open and more serendipitous for maybe a group to be in the library and decide to come into this space and get to it instantly without having to do the advanced work of booking a study room. So we've heard in many different ways that students want more space that feels like this, and I think our renovation is going to be doing that, but it's also going to have the new updated IU brand.